This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom Watch List and Market Report for the week ending July 22nd, 2023. Our question this week is, what is a value stock? The answer will be provided later in the video. This week, the market ended mixed. The Dow Jones Industrial Average increased 0.01% on Friday and was up 2.08% for the week. The S&P 500 increased 0.03% on Friday and was up 0.69% for the week. The Nasdaq decreased minus 0.22% on Friday and was down minus 0.57% for the week. Looking at the week, we can see that there were 12 up finishes versus 3 down finishes for the major indexes. On Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, all the major indexes finished up. On Thursday, the Dow Jones Industrial Average finished up, while the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq finished down. And on Friday, the Dow Jones Industrial Average and the S&P 500 finished up, and it was only the Nasdaq that finished down. New unemployment claims were 228,000. June home sales dropped to the lowest pace in 14 years. Home builders' sentiment rose in July. Gold hit a 2-month high as it almost reached $2,000 per ounce. The FTC withdrew its case against the Microsoft Activision deal, and the Federal Reserve launched its new FedNow instant payment service. New unemployment claims, home sales dropping, home builder sentiment rising, gold approaching $200 per ounce, the FTC withdrawing its case against Microsoft, and the Federal Reserve launching its new FedNow instant payment service are all news. And news drives the market, good and bad. Day-to-day predictions on whether the market is going to go up or down are virtually impossible because predicting the news is impossible. However, the market is rigged to go up. It does not go up every day or even every week, but the market will generally go up over time. Stock prices move in a random fashion. They go up and down with an upward drift. The market will go up when the powers that be want the market to go up. While there are many powers out there, the top 5 powers that be are the Federal Reserve, big financial institutions, big corporations, the President, and Congress. These 5 entities will do what they must to drive the market higher. Now we are at our question of the week. What is a value stock? A value stock is a stock of a company that appears to be priced below its true value or its intrinsic value. That is, below the price of its fundamental price metrics like dividends, earnings, book value, cash flow, and revenues. In short, a value stock is a stock that is selling at a discount. It is a stock on sale. Value investors constantly search for stocks on sale. Warren Buffett is probably the most famous value investor, and he is among the richest men in the world. Do you invest in value stocks, or do you own any stocks at all? If not, why not? Is it because you do not understand anything about the stock market? Well, it was not taught to you in school. If you ever want to learn how to get wealth and income through the stock market, you are going to have to teach yourself. You must RSI, that is, read, save, and invest. Formal school taught you how to read, but society and the powers that be discourages you from reading, especially books. School taught you to be a worker. They did not teach you how to be an investor, and they taught you absolutely nothing about the U.S. financial system. You can learn how to be an investor if you simply start reading books about investing, books that you can borrow from the library for free or buy cheaply online. It is not difficult to learn how to be a passive investor, which is what most people should do. Check out this list of recommended books on the books page of the Southside website. These books and others like them will not tell you which direction the market is going to go, but you can learn how to make money in the market no matter what the market does. I don't know which way the market is going to go on a daily basis, and I don't care. I trade the market as it is, not as it should be. I take what the market gives me, whether it's going up, down, or even sideways. How do I do that? I apply the Southside Strategy. You can learn more about the Southside Trading Strategy at southsideschooloffinancialfreedom.com. Here is the Southside Trading Watch List from the week ending July 22nd, 2023. The strongest performer on the list this week was United States Natural Gas. Ticker symbol UNG. It's in the second column. It was down minus 0.14% on Friday, but increased 7.07% for the week. UNG is an ETF that invests primarily in futures contracts for natural gas, crude oil, heating oil, gasoline, and other petroleum-based fuels that are traded on the New York Mercantile Exchange, as well as other changes in the US and other countries. Looking at a summary of results, you can see that UNG has decreased more than 48% year to date. I did not trade or generate cash flow from UNG this week. Whether a stock goes up or down, you can generate cash flow from it. Whether you own a stock or not, you can still generate cash flow from it using the Southside Strategy. The Southside Trading Strategy involves trading for weekly cash flow, that is, trading for income. SPY is shown at the bottom of the third column. SPY is the S&P 500 ETF. This is the benchmark I compare my trading performance to. My objective is to beat the S&P 500 index while at the same time generating cash flow. Most professional money managers do not consistently outperform the S&P 500 index. They usually lose and lose badly to the index. Thus, most investors and traders should just invest in or trade a market index fund or ETF like SPY. What do you do? Do you beat the S&P 500 index? Do you have a watch list? What is your investing and or trading strategy? How well do you do against the S&P 500 index ETF SPY? Let me know in the comments section. Are you willing to share your strategy? The Southside portfolio cash flow system is outperforming the S&P 500 ETF SPY. The Southside portfolio is up 41.21% versus 18.24% up for SPY, a difference of 22.97%. The Southside is beating SPY by almost 23%. The cash flow generated by the Southside cash flow system for this week was 2.7% of the portfolio account value. The account value changed by 2.81%. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 ETF SPY changed by 0.65%. Bitcoin watch. Bitcoin lost 1.15% this past week and appears to be in a bull market, though it is down more than 56% from its all-time high, which was achieved in November 2021. It is up more than 81% year to date. I sold option contracts on one position this week. It was a put that ranged from $0.00 to $131.34. You can get more details, including the total dollar amount of cash flow for the week, on the website southsideschooloffinancialfreedom.com. To increase your financial IQ and understanding of the stock market, please check out our publication and past videos for other questions of the week. The videos are organized in playlists levels 1, 2, and 3. They are also arranged in playlists by subject matter. In the meanwhile, please like, share, and subscribe.